Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how your journey for Kombucha takes you to the remote island, situated in the southeast of the Kingdom of Rose within the Second Sea. Once there, seek out a unique non-player character known as the Strongest God. He is the sole vendor for this legendary gun. Ensure you have 1,500 fragments ready, as this is the exact price for your new weapon. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Blox Fruits tips. Quick recommendation: just like Kombucha gives you an edge in battle, darn tough socks give your feet an edge with their lifetime warranty. Life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're grinding for rare items. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Kombucha boasts two formidable abilities: Flying Firebird and Intense Wind. Both of these moves are excellent for combat, as they can break an opponent's instinct, giving you a significant advantage. To further enhance your Kombucha, you can upgrade it at a blacksmith. You will need 15 dragon scales, 3 vampire fangs, and 50 pieces of leather for the upgrade.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.